folks, what's up? This is RK from 360 Reader. Right now, I'm going to talk about 5 tips and tricks that can help you speed up iOS 14 on your iPhone or iPad, just in case you find your iOS device struggling to keep up with the pace. Then these tips can prove to be pretty helpful. So let's cut the chase finally. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from us. The very first solution that I would recommend you to try out is to force restart or hard reset your device. Force restart is known to be a reliable solution that comes in pretty handy, especially when fixing common issues that seem to crop up out of nowhere. So give it a try first off. To force restart your iPhone 8 or later or iPad without home button, first press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and then you have to press and hold the power button until you see Apple logo on the screen. Now to force restart your iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, you have to hold down both the volume down button and power button at once until Apple logo shows up on the screen. Now, if you want to force restart your iPhone 6s or earlier or iPad with home button, you have to press and hold the home button and power button at once until Apple logo shows up on the screen. Once your device has rebooted, check out if your device has started to pick up the speed or not. If it has, then you are good to go. Just in case your iPhone or iPad is still struggling to pick up the pace or it is still not running as smoothly as you expect it to, then I would recommend you to wipe out all the unnecessary data, apps and files. And once your device has been completely cleaned up, it will pick up the pace. Now, if you want to have the idea about the things that may have consumed a lot of storage, head over to Settings app, then tap on General, then tap on iPhone or iPad storage. Now, iOS will present you the breakdown of how the storage has been consumed on your device. Now, find out the things that may have consumed plenty of storage and then clean them up. If your iPhone or iPad has not yet started to run smoothly, then I would suggest you to go for resetting all settings. Do note that resetting the device to factory settings is considered to be a radical solution, as it removes all the existing settings, including VPN settings. So move ahead with these things in your mind. To do it, launch Settings app, then tap on General, then scroll down and tap on Reset. Now tap on Reset all settings, then you have to enter your passcode, do it, and then you have to hit Reset all settings. Do know that it won't delete your data or media, it will only wipe out all the existing settings. If you haven't been able to fix the sluggishness of your device, then it's time to go for software update. More often than not, Apple releases latest iOS versions with plenty of bug fixes and performance enhancements. That's why it's always recommended to keep the device updated to the latest version. To do it, launch Settings app, then tap on General, then tap on Software Update. And if there is any update available, then hit download and install to update it as usual. If none of the solutions mentioned above have worked in fixing the sluggishness of your device, then it's time to restore the device as new. Do know that it's considered to be a nuclear solution, as it removes all the data, apps and files that exist on your device. So make sure to back up everything beforehand. So once you have backed up your device, connect it to your computer. If your Mac is running macOS Catalina or later, you have to use Finder to restore your device. And if your Mac is running macOS Mojave or earlier, or if you have Windows PC, then you have to use iTunes to restore your device. Hopefully these tips have worked for you in fixing the sluggishness of your iPhone or iPad. If yes, then let me know the solution that worked for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a wonderful time. Peace.